Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Bandish Vyas. Once again, welcome back to our physics lectures and 12th science lectures. Ultimately, everybody, how are you, everyone? Everyone must have enjoyed the Janmashtami. This is the second lecture which I am going to present in front of you all. Last time, we had done several experiments based upon which we have studied that almost every electric charges are of two types. One is of positive, another is of negative. Here you can see that we have conducted one major experiment, and that is given in the page number 2, figure number 1.1. So everybody can able to see that. Okay, we have taken the glass rod, and with the help of silk thread we have conducted one major experiment in which we have come to know that there are two kind of charges are there. One is positive charge, another is negative charge. Positive charges will be attracted to the negative charges, and negative charges will be attracted to the positive charge. Okay, so ultimately what do we require to find? Two positive charges repel one another, two negative charges would attract one another. Okay, so here it is what we want to find. Okay, so now we will go to the next session. In today we are going to learn how can we detect charges. In this video I am going to show you how can we deter or we can determine whether there is a charge or not, and if there is a charge then how can we able to determine the charges. Okay, how can we able to put the experimental setup which can detect the charge, whether it should be a positive or a negative one, or if it is a positive charge then how can we able to distinguish whether there will be a positive charges, negative charges. In this session of videos we are going to learn. Till then, if you like the videos which we have presented till now, then you can like and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Okay, the link is given there. Okay, so everyone, okay, keep watching our new videos as well. Okay, so that is the another thing which we are going to learn. Today we are going to learn about the electroscope. Okay, so we have already done many another experiments based upon which we have come to know there are two charges. Okay, so now what is the meaning of an electroscope? Okay, so here everybody can able to see an electroscope which is made in the laboratory. So everybody can able to identify this. This is the electroscope. Okay, now how does it prepare, or how does it made, and how does it work? Okay, so let me first tell you. Okay, in figure number A, which is given in your in front of you, that is the electroscope. Okay, acha, electroscope is closed under one glass or one box. You can see the box. Okay, so in which one is metal node has been attached and another is metal rod has been attached. There are two kind of rods are there. One is metal knob which is attached on the metal rod. Okay, and the whole thing is been evacuated with the help of rubber around it. Okay, so you can able to see the rubber over there. Okay, gold leaves have been attached at the end of the metal rod. Now let me tell you, why do we use metal rod? Can we use non-metal rod? No, only metal rod can be used. Why? Because metal rod is the main thing by which the charge will conduct. If we cannot able to flow the charge from one point to another end, then we cannot able to determine the charges. So one is metal knob. It is also required to have the metal knob, not non-metal knob. if the non-metal knob will be used, then electric charges will not flow. So here in the figure A, in the right hand side you can see this is the experimental setup. Okay, what is the condition has been given. Acha, why has it been evacuated under the rubber cover? Why the rubber has been put around metal rod? Yes, ultimately whenever the rubber has been put, rubber will not allow to flow any charges away from the metal rod. If even metal rod has been put and if the charge will try to flow out of the metal rod, then rubber will not allow. Why? Because rubber is a kind of thing which will not allow to pass the charge from one point to another point. So there will not be any kind of transfers. So we can able to conserve whichever the charges we are getting. Charges will not flow away or not fly away ultimately. So that is what the setup is given. Okay, so now everybody has understood. Acha, this box has been evacuated, and that is there has been a vacuum. Remember, there has been a vacuum which is there. Okay, you if you will read properly, then you will come to know there is a metal rod and the whole thing has been evacuated. Okay, so now let us start. That is the gold leaf. Acha, why the gold leaves are given? Ultimately gold leaves are the costlier things we are knowing, but it is very sensitive to attach the electric charges. It is almost sensitive to get the electric charges, so that's why the gold leaves have been put. Okay, so now we are going to start with the experiments which we are going to do over here. Acha, first, whichever the rod, whether it should be a glass rod or a plastic rod, whichever the rod which we are having, we have to put nearer to the metal knob. How? If the metal knob is there and the metal charges are there, suppose there is a given glass rod, we had earlier the glass rod with us. In glass rod, what was the main thing? Plus charges will come from the rod and will transfer from metal knob to metal rod. Remember, there has been a figure in which you can able to see clearly there has been a plus charge. Once it will come into the contact of the metal knob, then after what would happen, it will transfer the charge. Why? Because suddenly whenever the glass has been put nearer to the metal knob, it will transfer the charge from rod to the metal knob. So ultimately metal knob will get the charges, positive charge will be get by the metal knob. So that will be the positive charges. Then after what would happen? That is the mostly the important thing which we want to identify. Achha, now the metal rod is there which is going through the box. Metal rod is there which will pass through the box. So ultimately once it will pass through the box, what would happen? The charges, as I am showing you, will pass from the metal rod. As you can able to see from the blue lines I have shown into the figure, that ultimately the knob will get the charge and it will pass steadily the charge onto the metal rod. Why? First question should be why will it transfer? There is a tendency of any metal to transfer the charge from one point to another point. So that's why the metal knob ultimately will transfer the charges from the metal knob to the metal rod. Chalo, everybody is clear up to this? Yes. Acha, now you can come to know about the main feature of the rubber which we have already identified. Rubber will not allow the charges to flow away. So ultimately it will not allow the charges to go away while the charges are coming from metal rod and from metal knob to metal rod. Once it will pass through metal rod to metal knob, it will not allow any charges to go and fly away. Okay, so it will evacuate and rescue the charges. It will not allow charges to go anywhere else. Ultimately there is a kind of two leaves have been supplied. Gold leaves are there. What would happen to this gold leaves? Gold leaves, ultimately this is the charges. Suppose this is the charges which will flow out like this. So ultimately what would happen? Some amount of charge will pass over here and another some amount of charge will pass over here. So ultimately it will get distributed. So what would happen? It will be distributed and suppose this is my left hand of gold leaf. These are the two gold leaf. This will have some amount of positive charge and equal amount of positive charge will be distributed in my right hand. So what would happen ultimately? Both are having the plus charges, and we are knowing that ultimately positive charges will try to repel one another, that both will try to repel. So repulsion will be taken place. Why? Because both are the same charges will repel one another. So because of the repel, it will try to tilt like this. Because of both of the gold leaf will try to move far away from one another, it will try to tilt like this. So ultimately the charges will be gone. Ultimately the repulsion will be taken place. Okay, by this experiment we can come to know that the charges have been taken away. And the repulsion has been taken place within the gold leaves. Okay, so this is the experiment. Then you must be knowing, you must have the question, what should be the length of this all the setup? Okay, so this is having approximately a 20 centimeter of the length. The whole rod should be of 20 centimeter. In practical experiments you can also increase it to higher one, but the box in which the metal rod or the metal tube has been there should become much higher than that. So it would be advisable not to put it more than required. So ultimately that is the main thing which is required. Okay, so everybody must be having the doubt there that electroscope will work everywhere. Yes, it can work everywhere. Okay, and metal knob also should be of the very much higher level of conductivity. What is the conductivity? That we will study in the next session. Okay, so conductor, it should be having the capacity to pass the positive charges under any circumstances. Okay, you can also see the glass window. Everything has been evacuated within the vacuum. So the vacuum has been created, and by which you can able to identify the whole setup. Okay, let me go ahead. So ultimately if somebody may have the question, how can we able to whether can we prepare these kind of electroscopes at our homes? The simple answer is very much yes. Okay, it is the system which is given in the book as well of the NCERT. Remember, the thing which we are preparing and we are presenting in front of you will be helpful for every aspirant, not even single CBSE Yes, that is the CBSE book which we are showing you, but it will be helpful for every person who is preparing seriously for the upcoming CBSE or any other board examinations. Okay, in future we are also planning to prepare many JEE or NEET related videos which may be helpful for free of course those who are wanting to learn at any place and at any time. If you are having the internet connectivity with you then you will able to give away everything. Okay, because ultimately that is what we are wanting. Okay, that is what I am wanting. Okay, so let me go ahead. Acha, how can you prepare? We were looking about, can we able to prepare the similar electroscope at our homes? Yes, 100% we can able to prepare these kind of electroscopes, not at our home but very much at every place, not at only at our homes but at any place. What do we require to find? That is what the figure is given over here. I am showing you. Okay, so that is the figure you can able to see. This is the figure which has been given. Okay, so what do you require to find? You just require to pick up one kind of bottle which is of plastic or which is of anything else you can take, which should be of the glass as well, which can be there, and take one aluminium piece approximately of 20 centimeter length, which must have been over here. You can see here it has been found boosted. Okay, it has been passed like this. This is the length of the aluminium tube which is of 20 centimeter, and you can place rubber over here to make it evacuated, and this is the portion which will come outside. The total length should be 20 centimeter. That is the length of the tube. Okay, so that is the aluminium which you can see. This is the metal knob. Okay, metal knob which will be helpful for providing you everything else. Okay, so at last what can you stick? Acha, at the gold leaf. Now how can we prepare the gold leaf? Acha, all the certain things you can prepare in one bowl, and then after you can put it with the help of rubber like this in the one glass box. This is the method to prepare at your own cost, which is not much costlier and which will be helpful for many others to understand the things. Acha, at last the main thing is about the leaf. In the electroscope we had seen that it was of gold leaf, but in this how can we able to prepare the electroscope? Acha, how can we able to prepare this? Acha, so instead of gold we can use aluminium foil. Aluminium foil is cheaply available into the market and which is almostly everywhere else. So you can prepare like this. This is what the aluminium foil has been attached. Acha, now I am describing how will it work. There is a one aluminium foil, another has been there with the help of two aluminium foil, with the help of cellulose tape, means the normal tape which you may be having, you can stick it. Okay, you can stick like this. Okay, with the help of cellulose tape you can stick it, and then after these kind of setup you can have, you can see the clearly that these kind of setups can be helpful for everyone. Okay, and then after with the help of another tape you can stick it to the road. So ultimately these kind of setup will be built along with the road. Okay, that is the straight. Okay, 1 minute. So ultimately these, with the help of this you can able to prepare the electroscope. Okay, so let me see this. Okay, acha, this is what, how will it look like. That is what the real thing is. It will look like this. Okay, so that is very cheaply method, and that is known as paper strip experiment, which is given. Okay, in your book it is given like the paper strip experiment. So paper strip experiment is the fundamental experiment with the help of which you can able to prepare this. Okay, acha once again, and then after you can prepare, after if you are having the charge, then you can pass nearer to it and it will pass away. If the same charges will be there, ultimately the repulsion will be taken place, we are knowing. So with the help of this experiment you can able to detect the charges. So detection of the charges has already been taken place. If you are having the simple things which are there at your homes, then you can able to prepare. Acha, ultimately the charges, if the charge, if it will be like this only, it will not go far away, it will or nor come nearer to one another, then what should be the conclusion? Then there is a neutral charge. Neutral charges are the kind of charges which will be which will be there ultimately to balance the positive charges as well as negative charges. So ultimately the balance of the positive as well as negative charges will taken place. Okay, so that is what about to make this kind of apparatus at your home, at your doorstep. You can do this at your home. Okay, so in this video we have already studied that how to make an electroscope and what is the function of gold leaf electroscope. I have not gone much into the depth, I have just go through it which is given in the NCERT book. Okay, please if you like this video, then subscribe and like and share this video to as many persons as much possible. This is what the physics lecture is. We are going to upload many more lectures in upcoming time, and sooner or later you will come to face many lectures out there with you all. Okay, till then everybody have a nice day. Goodbye, enjoy the day, and don't go, please don't go away, don't come out of your houses because of this corona season. Okay, bye bye.